You know, Massachusetts is great and all, but, you know, it's nothing like Ohio. It's just so green here. You know, every single year it seems like the car ride gets longer and longer. It's not fun. I mean, it's a short car ride for you guys. It's just, you know, just... You know, I have no plans for today's video yet. I did have a good plan. Had a nice video, cooking video set out. Filmed it on the island, you know, put some effort into it. But, you know, I decided to leave my SD card there instead of bringing it home. So, we're going to figure something out. Hopefully. Small. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. What do we got? Oh my gosh, that's tiny.
Dude, I can see the fish though.
They're right still alive. I'll be dang. Okay, so I think today we're gonna do the 2-hour challenge. Me and my boy B Jack right there. I don't think we're gonna go for, I think we're just gonna go for quantity. I don't think we're going for size. But we're gonna see, the pond's super small. And I don't know how it's gonna go. We're gonna see. Who knows? Alright, well, so we have some pretty extreme conditions to walk through. Alright. Big fish? How big? Alright. Right now the time is 5:08. Ready? 2-hour challenge starts now. Both throwing frogs, good bird's nest. Oh my god, they're right there. They're right freaking there. Good tree, guys. I feel like this is gonna be... no. Dude, this is a 2-hour challenge. I can't secrets. Ow! Gosh dang. It's the freaking jungle. Right. We should band this up now though. We probably should. Alright, we're gonna weave this. Rig this weedy style. Nice and weedy. Like a wheat thing. Okay, let's go.
Where's the clipper?
They're right there. Let's see. Who's gonna get the first fish? It's gonna be Kurt. Let's go. I have to go pee so bad right now. So bad. Oh crap, I got one. I've literally been fighting this thing for like an hour.
Oh my god.
What a dink. What is that? Oh,
That's a bass.
that's a bass. Well, it counts. There's one. That is so small.
That's the smallest fish we've ever caught.
That's the smallest bass I think I've ever caught.
One at your grandpa's pond.
That's a good one. Okay, you're going back. I was literally jigging with that thing for a while. I felt something heavy. Crap. Okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Okay. Oh, there's one. Got him.
Another.
Another one. This one feels actually pretty good. soon as it hit the water, this one just grabbed it. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Oh, this is gonna be 2. Right now. Get over here. This rod is so weird to fight with.
I like it.
It's nice, it's not bad. Look at him, look at him, that's a good one. Get in here. Dude, let's go.
Oh, dude,
That's a good one.
Dude, that's a toad.
That's a toad, dude. That's a freaking toad. Dude. He freaking swallowed it. That is a toad.
Oh my god. Dude, you gotta get your phone out for that.
Dude, this is a good one. Let's go. Give me some pics. Do you have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Dude, this is freaking nice. Look at that.
That's a 5.
Maybe.
6.
I don't know.
Dude, look at
That's a
that.
good fish though.
He ate it.
That's a good fish. That's an old fish. Gucci. Alright. Hold on. Okay. Buddy, you're gonna have to go flying a little bit. Okay. He's all good.
Roam that far.
Bye, bud. That was sweet. That was sweet. I saw, like, as soon as it hit the water, it just was gone. Oh, that's a decent. That's a good one. Okay, never mind. Alright, that's a solid pounder. Okay, so we're both 1 to 1. Loser of this has to eat whatever hot thing we can find at the store. Got him. Get over here. This is a dink. Alright, not bad. Still dink though. Alright, I'll take him. Look at that. It's a good one. Okay, bud. See you later. That's your jurisdiction, dude. I can't cast over there. That's right, we're going straight over that dam. Okay. Maybe not. There it is. Got him. That was the weirdest hook set of my life. Whoa, hold up. Oh, I thought I had 2 for a second there. Okay. See you, bud. Ow. No joke, I saw one right behind it.
I'm going over there.
Ooh. We're going the blue spark. I'm feeling it, black and blue. You probably will. Alright. I have 3. You have 1. Count still. Ooh, good one. That freaking thing took off with it. Oh my god. Dude. That's the 12 pounder, easy. It's not, I don't know. It felt really big at first. I don't know how actually big it is. It's freaking huge. Dude, is that the same fish? That thing's massive. Oh my gosh.
That's a different one. The other one was ripped up.
Dude, that's freaking crazy. Oh crap. That's crazy. That's freaking...
1,000 frogs in here.
He's massive. Let me see that thing. Dude, he's still healthy too.
I'd say so. There's 100 frogs in here.
Dude, that thing's huge.
I know.
Look at him. That's massive.
I picked the wrong side to fish.
You really did. There's fish down there though. You gotta go down there. Alright, we're gonna throw you like a torpedo. You're gonna be alright, alright? I promise. Okay. He's alright. He's all good. That's a good fish. Good fish. Come on. Alright, let's see how this goes. Is it just...
Landed over there.
Son of a gun.
I heard it land.
Yeah. It's like I have to buy you braid now. Idiot. That's so bad.
The bird's nest.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's person's bad. Crashed.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, you piece of crap.
And that was 2 feet.
Yeah, it was. Frick, now we're even. Looks like I'm eating a freaking habanero tonight.
Good freaking toad, huh?
Yeah, toad. Toad. Yeah, man. Toad. Okay. I think that's 7, isn't it? Yeah, that's 7. Yeah.
I was reeling and it just started going away as soon as he disappeared.
Okay, this is going. Oh, scent.
That was good.
I know. Oh, I got one. Dude,
No.
I freaking have one. Dude, what? Oh my gosh. What?
Wow.
I told you I was a pro handliner. Okay.
That's why you're so surprised right now.
Yeah. No, I've never handlined for bass before. That's a freaking accomplishment right there. That's number 5. You're 4. Let's go.
Probably would have had another fish if my freaking rod wouldn't keep freaking bird nesting every 2 seconds. Every cast it bird nested.
That's a good cast, dude.
Yeah, it was.
That was a solid cast. This is gonna be next fish coming right up. Oh, did one just take it? One just took it. I got him. Dude, no way.
Wow.
Dude, this is nuts.
Is it a fish or a
Yes, it's a fish. Dude, that's a good one too. This is crazy. I saw him wake on it, dude. What? That's a freaking chunk. This is crazy. Absolute chunk. Number 6.
What color are you using? That blue one?
Yeah, gotta use the black and blue. That's a chunk.
Like bluegill.
Dude. That's a second fish on the hand line. And 2 casts. Did you see that? Slow-mo replay. So I lost the bet. So, you know, we had a bet today, and I lost it. I caught less fish than B-Jack over here. So, I have to eat a habanero now. This is the hottest pepper that we could find. It rates, what does it rate? It's like...
Third.
Thank you. That deep Morgan Freeman voice. Third on the Scoville highest scale. It's 250,000 Scoville units. It's pretty dang hot. Yeah.
3 million.
It's not 3 million.
Hold on, it's 300 and Carson. It's the natural pepper, like the third.
It's the third natural pepper. Sorry about that. Anyway. Alright. Now he's gonna pick my pepper for me. Which one are you thinking? Little, big, that one. That one. Okay.
Biggest one.
Great. Awesome.
And there's
Hi.
this dragon one.
I'm Adam.
This is the shirtless man in the mirror. Okay. So
This is gonna be so hot.
my boy Gage is gonna do this with me for
pour me
moral
a cup?
support.
Can you pour me a
I
cup?
can pour you a cup, my brother. Where'd the milk go?
Milk's right here, buddy.
Hey! This first.
You have to eat the whole
LA Beast here. Mine never matter.
Put the whole
Mine
thing
never
in.
Let's start off with a small one and then just go big.
Alright, let's start off
Here,
with small.
let's start small.
Alright, so you know what? We're gonna start small instead.
Starting small.
Small.
I'm gonna show 'em.
Tiny. Let's
show 'em
let's
the
get him.
comparison.
So
Oh, hold on.
wait, check out his pants, our new endorsement, Cremex right here.
Let's get
Those are the size difference.
Big, small.
Small. Small, big. Small.
Big.
Big.
Small.
Big. Okay.
Okay. Milk. Just kidding, almond.
Almond milk, cause yeah.
Because he likes boys. Okay. Alright, Carson, there's your pepper. I'm
is
gonna
my
throw
pepper.
up in this.
You have to eat that one and that one.
Yeah, we're gonna start off small.
We're gonna start off with this. Okay.
Dude, it's gonna be
I'm
so-
kind of scared.
I'm not.
I'm kind of scared right now, dude.
I'm not.
Dude. Okay, wait.
Eat it.
I haven't eaten it yet. Are you gonna chew it real quick?
Chew
I'm
it.
just gonna swallow it.
Bryson, can you do a small one with
No,
us?
I'm not. I didn't lose.
Just do a small one.
No, I didn't lose.
Oh my god! I just like kind of touched it and my
Carson.
tongue's on fire.
Carson, you have to chew it.
Just chew it. Just be done.
Chew it.
3, 2.
You have to eat this
Do it,
big
do it,
one
do it.
too.
I might not eat a big one. I have football tomorrow.
You have to eat the big one.
Are you chewing it?
I'm chewing it. Oh, that's getting hot. Oh my god! Oh, dude!
You can smell it.
Ow!
Oh my god! Oh! No! That's so bad!
I'm not taking a drink.
Boy.
I'm the LA Beast.
Oh. I'm literally shivering right now. It's so hot. Oh!
Oh, I'm drooling.
So much.
Oh, I'm drooling.
I feel like that guy, Man vs. Food, where he eats like these really hot. Ah, my tongue!
Here.
It's so. So, you know, we're about 30 minutes in after I just swallowed that pepper. I didn't swallow it anyway. Oh, that was horrible. It's getting better, but it's still freaking. Whew. That is easily the hottest thing I've ever eaten in my life. That is so bad. Anyway, good day today. Caught some fish. We caught, all together, we caught like 18 fish out of that one pond. So like that's kind of crazy because it was like a puddle, as you guys can see. But pretty cool day, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Also, stay outside and, no wait, hold on. If you haven't already, dude, what are you doing? Subscribe, bro. Join the family. You know what I mean? Anyway, stay outside until the next time I see you. That's bad lighting. Stay outside, my dudes. Stay outside. Alright, that's good.